Jazz. Go Jazz. It's Jazz. Go, go, girl. Go, 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 girl. Go, 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 girl.
Hey, welcome to Fun Surprise Friday. Friday is Friday. Friday. Okay, cool. So for today's Fun Surprise Friday, I'm going to do this moisturizer spray. So I just like colored my hair. Booyah. Well, I recolored it. You know, my roots and stuff. I made the blonde height, whatever. So, you know, with bleach hair or color hair or whatever hair and it's dry, I actually looked it up on YouTube. I looked up this girl. I have her name right here. I think her name is, well, I don't think I know. It's JeanetteJBeauty. That is her. That is her YouTube. Go check her out. Subscribe. Do all that good stuff. Oh, Merle's about to come in. She always interrupting me.
Hi. I'm doing a video, so shh.
So like I was saying, go subscribe to her, you know, check her videos out. She got some really good stuff. So all of this is from her. So she got a spray bottle. Her spray bottle she got, it's a bigger one than mine. So her measurements are not gonna match with mine. Because to put what she used in here, we use aloe vera juice, some avocado oil, rosemary essential oil, and drinking water. Yes, not the sink water, the drinking water. Bougie, I know. So they say, well, she say to put a cup and a half. Now a cup and a half is going to fill up the whole thing, so I'm just going to pour. I'm not going to do no measurements. So if you want to do measurements, I suggest you go to her page, or go to her channel rather, and check out exactly the kind of bottle she has. Get that bottle. That way, if you want to go by measurements, she will definitely help you better. And she was saying that the aloe vera juice, it promotes hair growth. And it also, let me read my notes. It reduces dandruff, I'll be right back, and prevents itching on the scalp. And it says acts as good conditioner, so that's pretty cool. I'm excited. So I'm pouring. On the video she had more of the juice than anything else, so I'm gonna say this is enough. Cool. Now for the avocado oil, right, she said to put three tablespoons. Yeah, she said to put 3 tablespoons. I got a tablespoon. I'm gonna put, since it's kind of small, I'm gonna put like 1.5 or a quarter. I don't know. I'm gonna just wait till my ancestors say stop. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna pour my avocado oil. Oh, Jesus, I pour too much. And oh yeah, that's one. I'm gonna just do another one. Oh, and for the avocado oil, she was saying, let me check my notes, that this penetrates deeply into the scalp. Does it say scalp? Oh, hair strands, my bad. It provides a wet environment, so that's good as well for very dry hair, because you know color, it dries out your hair. So boom. Wow, I'm making a mess. Hold on, let me get a napkin. Cool. Alrighty. And then she said to put, for the rosemary, you put 10 drops. Oh wait, I gotta add my water. I forgot the measurements for the water, but I'm gonna just pour. She didn't pour that much. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do. I'm not put too much. Why drinking water? I forgot what she said. Go check a video if you want to know, because I forgot. So here for the rosemary, she was saying to put 10 drops. Since I don't have the same type of size or the same type of bottle, I'm not gonna do 10 drops. Whoa, this is strong. I'm gonna do 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I did 6. It was going out so fast. Oh my gosh. Gosh, this is y'all. Be careful. This is strong. I could be dramatic. Oh, and it's purple, my favorite color. Cool. So now I'm gonna shake. She said you gotta shake really well to make sure all the ingredients mix. Oh, and also she got this one. You could actually get this spray bottle from Sally's. They didn't have the size she had, so I wasn't going to another store. That wasn't happening. So I was like, you know, I'll just do my own measurements. But if you need measurements, go to her page. But she was saying for this type of spray bottle, y'all been seeing a lot of natural hair people use this type of hairspray. Well, the spray bottle, hairspray. They use a lot of this spray bottle because it does like a mist. See? Oh, it wasn't spraying. Hold on. There we go. There we go. Ooh, misty. So I'm gonna spray it on my hair, and then I'm gonna take my braids out tomorrow, and I'm gonna show y'all, and I'm gonna let you know if my hair is nice and soft. Okay, see you tomorrow. Okay guys, so I took the braids out. Now as I took the braids out, they were still kind of dry, but that's kind of normal when you first, especially when you first get color. If because even though I did, y'all saw, I did spray the top of the braids, but that's just the top. So the insides didn't get no love. So I gave it some love. After spraying it, it feels good. And then with this type of spray bottle, it doesn't like over exaggerate my hair with water. So that's good. So yeah. How y'all feeling the color? All right. I'll see y'all kids later.